Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Welcome to the Breakfast Cafe.
Very funny. How do you say very funny?
Welcome to the Breakfast Cafe. We offer delicious food that gives you energy for your day. Would you like pancakes? We have them. Would you like a fresh baked croissant? We have fresh fruit salads. We also have vegan options, hot coffee, and hot teas. The Breakfast Cafe is a busy place this morning. It's time to cook more food, but first we must wash our hands and keep our hands clean. Mr. Wilson is driving to our breakfast cafe. He is ordering a breakfast special. Kyrie is serving an order of 2 pancake breakfast specials. Mr. Wilson is upset because his breakfast is cold. We want Mr. Wilson to be happy. What can we do to correct this mistake? We are now offering Mr. Wilson a fresh, free, and hot breakfast. Mr. Wilson is now happy. We have an order up for 5 breakfast specials. We have another order up for 3 French toast breakfast specials. Kyrie is serving the waffle and fresh fruit breakfast specials. Order up. We need 6 vegetable omelet breakfast specials. It's time to clean the kitchen and order supplies. What a wonderful day at the breakfast cafe! Cheers to a busy, wonderful, and profitable day at the breakfast cafe!